I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth system in this Ford Kuga. First of all, we onto phone, using the circular button in the center, just click down to Bluetooth devices, and then it shows an arrow that way. Click across, shows you a phone there. We've got a phone there. Disconnect John's phone, and the buttons across the bottom, yes and no. Those buttons correspond there.
Phone disconnected.
Right, now I want to delete it. So you've got delete, which is second in. Delete John's phone, yes. So that's it. There's another phone there, which that's highlighted now. So we've got add, delete, and connect. I want to delete it. Delete Simon's phone, and then we've got yes and no on these two buttons. That's it gone.